In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Coda with Zapier and automate your first workflow. We'll walk through connecting the two tools, choosing a trigger and an action, mapping your fields, and finishing with a clean test so you can confidently turn the automation on. First, head to Zapier in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the Zapier dashboard, make sure you can see the navigation that includes Explore Apps. That's where we'll find the Coda integration. Open Explore Apps and use the search bar to look for Coda. When Coda appears in the results, select it. You'll see options like Try it or Integrate for free. Click that to start the connection flow. This tells Zapier you want to build an automation called a Zap that uses Coda. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Coda account and authorize Zapier. This is a secure permission step that lets Zapier read and write to the Coda docs you choose. Follow the sign-in prompts, review the access screen, and confirm. If you work across multiple Coda workspaces, be sure you're authorizing the one that contains the tables you plan to use. With the connection in place, it's time to pick a trigger and an action. A trigger is the event that starts your automation. For example, new row in Coda is a common choice when you want the Zap to fire every time a new row is added to a table. An action is what you want to happen after the trigger. Create row is a straightforward option that adds a row to a table you specify. Choose the trigger and action that fit your goal. Zapier will then guide you to configure each step. You'll select the Coda doc and table for your trigger and do the same for the action. After that, map your fields. Mapping simply means connecting columns from the trigger step to the fields in the action step so data flows to the right places. Use sample data to verify that text, numbers, dates, and select lists align correctly. When your fields are mapped, run a test. Zapier will send a test row to your Coda action table. Open the doc to confirm everything landed where it should. If something looks off, adjust the mappings and test again. Finally, turn on the Zap. From now on, whenever your trigger event happens, Zapier will run the action automatically. That's it. You've integrated Coda with Zapier and set up an automation you can rely on every day.